Hey y'all, today we're going to be making a Southwest breakfast casserole, and we're going to be going to the Eiteljorg Museum and the canal in Indianapolis, Indiana, because we are back home again in Indiana, and we're going to be doing it
all while having a whole lot of fun.
Here we go. Gene Autry had a little head. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes here with the good old boy. And we are back home again in Indiana from our big trip out on the southwest end of North America, United States.
So we got to make a Southwest casserole.
Yeah, because it was really good. And then you're going to see here in a little bit where we go to the Eiteljorg Museum, and it's like a celebration of the Southwest there, and complete with westerns and
art,
Native American culture, and so we're going to stick with the Southwest because you could take us out of the Southwest, but you can't take the Southwest out of us.
We're transitioning.
Yeah. We'll be eating corn by next week. But anyway, we're making a Southwest breakfast casserole for y'all today, and Miss Cris is going to be hanging with me, mainly because we've been stuck to the hip for the past 2.5 months every single day.
We don't know what to do with all this space.
I thought she'd be sick of me by now, but I guess it's my charm.
Yeah.
But we're going to make a Southwest breakfast casserole, and you're going to show me what to do.
Yep.
And what you're going to need for this, I'm just going to go by the visual here, and that's going to be in our Ninja. We have a pound of ground sausage that has been browned up. That's a pound of browned sausage.
Oh, Lordy.
How now, brown pig? So, you got our sausage.
Yes.
In a hot Ninja.
And if there's excess oil, you can drain it, or if you don't have a Ninja, you can do it on a skillet and then transfer it. You do want a little bit of fat in there so that the eggs don't stick. So,
yeah.
But
and we don't mind it anyway, doing the low carb thing. The fat's okay with us,
yep.
So I kind of dig it.
So just spread it out evenly in there after you're done cooking. And so
in fact, let's spread that out evenly now. It's kind of... Alright, hey, it's spread out evenly.
There you go.
And then we need 10 eggs. You want 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream.
Yes.
You want salt and pepper to taste. Mm-hmm. You want, what is that? That's salsa. How much?
We're doing 1 cup of salsa. There's a cup left in here, but it will be
salsa
at the end. Yes.
Yes. And then you want 1.5 cups of, see, I'm remembering, she told me this beforehand, 1.5 cups of shredded cheese of your choice. We're doing a sharp cheddar?
Cheddar, yes. And I would say cheddar probably plays better in,
I just realized we got to get this
in this recipe than most, and it will be divided. So first you're going to beat up your eggs after you've browned your sausage and put back in. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just need to get a paper towel because I got a little excessive in my beating. Hi, Kim. Alright, so beating up my eggs.
Alright, into that you're going to add your 1 cup and 1/4 of cream. Just slowly down, dear.
Turn your mixer down. Okay,
salt and pepper that to taste. And we're going to add, once he salts and peppers that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of our cheddar cheese. We shred ours because it's cheaper to shred it yourself, and it's a little bit more melty, I think. So 1/2 cup in there, just a little bit. Just get it stirred in there evenly, and then that goes in your 6-quart slow cooker.
Right over the top of your sausage.
Yep.
Your ground, browned pound of sausage.
Are you going to be a children's
I should be a children's author.
Yeah.
Alright, so right over the top of my sausage.
Okay.
Ta-da.
And now, once that evenly gets poured in there, you're going to take your last cup of cheese and sprinkle
Go ahead.
over the top. So I've got 1/2 cup here, so just evenly sprinkle it. It'll start to sink down, and that's okay.
Oh look, another paper towel can.
Oh, you know what? You're so hard on Kim.
You wait till we meet, lady.
And so, oh, oops.
Oh, we got clumps.
We have a, yeah, there we go.
There we go. That's
okay.
Spread out evenly over the top. And
All
then
right.
what?
And then you're going to take the rest of this salsa and you're going to drizzle it over the top. This is a cup that's left in there. Be careful, and it'll sink down into, but that's okay.
Trust me, it's good.
Yes. Now, if you're eating low carb, you need to check your labels on your salsas, because salsas can be very different depending on what all they put in it for carb counts. So, anyhow, lid on the Ninja. We're going to cook it on the slow cooking feature on high. For about 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Ours take closer to 90 minutes usually, but it'll just be when it sets in the middle. And I just realized that I didn't have the finished product out here for you.
Oh, that's right, because we're speeding this stuff up a little bit. But I tell you what, we'll go get that ready, and while we're doing that, we're going to show you the Eiteljorg Museum and the beautiful canal in downtown Indianapolis. In 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we're back home in Indiana, and so we thought a good transition for us would be to go to the Eiteljorg Museum in downtown Indy, because it is all about Western culture and Native American culture and art. And so as we start to kind of explore our world around us of where we live, we thought this would be a good transition from our out west adventure.
Yeah, we've been showing you guys the Southwest and all that, like the Grand Canyon and Texas and Arizona and New Mexico, and we've never shown you our town. I don't necessarily mean Monrovia. We got a really nice IGA there. I'm talking about Indy. You see, Indy's an awesome town. Indy is where we've lived and worked in the surrounding area for a really, really long time, and there's some really cool stuff. So you don't necessarily have to go a long ways away in order to see something cool. So how about we show you something cool now?
Here we go.
Yeah.
They have a huge exhibit here from some of the actors that played cowboys and cowgirls in the movies, and they've got their hats. You feeling lucky, punk? Well, do ya? Gene Autry had a little head. I wonder if they let me play it. There's something oddly familiar about this view. So the Eiteljorg was nice.
Yes.
I think it's cool. They got all kinds of exhibits from Native American culture from all around the country. And it's cool that we just came from the Southwest and got to see that artwork there and then come home and they're displaying it here. And I don't know. Oh, I've seen what that is. That's turquoise.
We went from landscapes that looked like pictures to pictures that looked like the landscape.
How artistic is that? Symmetry. And of course, the Real West exhibit was cool, seeing the different artifacts. Well, not artifacts, but like the different costumes and hats and firearms and guitars from some of our favorite actors from back in the day all the way up to modern day movies. So I still want that Gene Autry Martin guitar.
I don't think they're going to let it out to play with you.
My birthday's coming up pretty soon. You want to buy it for me?
I don't think it's for sale, dear.
Oh. Well, now that we've done that, it's time to take a walk. It's such a gorgeous day here in Indy, so we are going to walk the canal.
Here we go.
And we're back from our little trip to the Eiteljorg Museum as well as the beautiful canal in downtown Indianapolis. Indy's a beautiful city. It really is.
Yeah.
We miss it when we're not around it, but it was nice for Indy to bring the Southwest back home for us. So,
yes.
Um,
So, yeah, and
Food.
we're also back with this lovely Southwest casserole.
can you smell it? Smell it?
Yummy.
Don't bang your face on the computer, but look at that. So good.
Yes. So all we did is we sliced this up and put sour cream on the serving. And then this we made the other day because I tested a whole bunch of recipes the other day. And so this is much like what you could do on a weekend. And then you could have a hot breakfast each morning and reheat it before school or work or just your day. So have a taste.
I'm going to have some now.
I know you like
I'll
it
even try it with the sour
because he's like, this is one of those oh my goodness dishes that he gives me.
I was really looking forward to making this for y'all. Oh yeah. I didn't have it with the sour cream.
I do. The sour cream's my favorite. Like I really like how it goes with the salsa.
And an egg casserole like this is kind of a versatile dish. You could put in what you want. Green onion would be good in it. Chorizo, if you really want to get some Southwest going in there. Hot sauce on the top if you like it a little more spicy. Maybe some jalapenos. Whatever you want to do. But that by itself, just with the ingredients we put in it, is fantastic.
Yep.
Well, we thank you.
Yep. Thanks for joining us.
Watching another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes.
With Mikey's mouthful.
Here's a good bite. If you like what you saw, give us one of these down below. If you have not become a member of the Crock Posse, what are you waiting on? All you gotta do is click the little subscribe button down below, and you're gonna be a member of what we call our Crock Posse, which is a family of people speaking life into one another, and well, watching us cook and eat food. And we like it that way. So
And we have a good time doing it.
I think I had a good time.
Yeah.
I have a good time as long as you don't get that last bite. Hey y'all, do 3 things for us. Laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life. Bye.
Bye.
Was in 3, 2, 1. I should have snapped.
Oh, sorry.
Hey y'all, today. Oh.
You're back.
Okay, we're getting too old for that.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.